Welcome back. In this section, we'll take a look at how to set up Orchestra to deploy our DLT pipeline remotely. Let's get started. I assume your project folder also looks exactly like this. As I've explained before, Orchestra pulls your code from GitHub during runtime and executes the code in its own compute environment. In order for that to happen, we need to create a GitHub repository and push all our scripts onto it. Let's do that now. On your GitHub account, please go to the tab Repositories and click New. Give a repository name, maybe Orchestra course. You can leave the visibility as public. You don't need to add gitignore as you already have that file in your project directory. And then click on Create Repository. You should see this page with an SSH name like this. You can use HTTPS or SSH. I've configured my SSH, so I'm going to copy this. Now go back to your terminal and type the command git init to initialize your project directory. I've already initialized my project directory, and hence you see two of these files are untracked. So please go ahead, type the command git init and enter. And after that, you need to type the command git remote add origin and paste the path we've just copied from our repository. And then you hit enter. Now our project folder is initialized and we can now push our scripts onto our repository. So let's do that now. Before we push our code onto our repository, let's make a few changes. Go to requirements.txt and add the line Orchestra-SDK and psutil. And let's also rename our demo project pipeline to GitHub pipeline for simplicity. We can check the status of our repository by typing the command git status. You can see our two files are untracked. We can add this by typing the command git add space dot. And then let's commit these files by executing the command git commit -m space initial commit. Now let's push our code by typing the command git push -u origin. Now let's check if our files have ended up in our GitHub repository. As you can see, we have our files GitHub pipeline and requirements and gitignore as well. Now the next step is to create an integration in Orchestra. So please go to orchestra.io, log in, and you should be able to see this dashboard here. So to create our integration, please go to the integration tab and create new connection. I've already created my integration, but I'll show you how to create one for yourself. So click new connection. If you scroll down, you should be able to see DLT Hub integration. So please click on this. And you can give a connection name called DLT. The repository source is GitHub, since you just created that repository. And for the repository field, you give your username and the repository you just created. So I would do this /orchestra, which is my repository name in GitHub. So the authentication method, you're going to select token. And here in the token, please copy paste your personal access token, which you did in the introduction video. Do not include any double quotes. Now coming to the secret JSON field, you never upload your secrets onto the repository. You have to input your keys during runtime using Secrets Manager or like a secret JSON here. And I'll show you how to create this secret JSON object from your secrets.toml file. If you go to secrets.toml file in your project folder, you see something similar to this. but you need to use a different naming convention when you create this JSON object. So what happens is your destination, BigQuery, credentials all become uppercase, and dot is replaced by double underscore. And then project ID remains as the same, but except in uppercase. So you need to create one for project ID, client email, private key, a variable called dataset name with just a single underscore, and sources double underscore access single underscore token, and you paste all these values. And you get all these values from the service account JSON object, which you downloaded in the introduction video. So please go ahead and create this secret JSON object and copy this object, and let's paste it in your secret JSON. And once you do that, please click on Add Credentials, and this will create your DLT integration. I've already created one for myself before, so I can show you how it looks. So I've named it DLT integration. The repository source is GitHub. I've given the repository name, the token, my GitHub personal access token, and this is how my secret JSON looks. And once you've done that, we can now go on to deploy our DLT pipeline in Orchestra.